Leave that on.
Why?
Leave it on. Now go in this one to the left. Yeah, go on in there. Hit the lights. So this is going to be Jack's room.
Mom!
You get to have this whole room.
Mom, let's see what's in here.
Okay.
Where's Spider-Man bathroom?
Turn the light on.
Spider-Man toilet.
Turn the light on so we can see it.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, do you love it?
Cool.
You get your own bathtub.
Where's Spider-Man on my toilet?
Because it's a Spider-Man toilet.
Cool. There's Spider-Man everywhere.
Yeah. Close the door. Look on the back of the door. More Spider-Man stuff. Well, that's where the laundry is.
Can I see?
Sure. Watch your fingers.
That is where I want to go.
Okay, then this one, go in here and turn the lights on in here. And this is Mommy's room.
Is this your own bathroom?
Yep, I get my own bathroom. Well, we don't want to run into the walls though, okay? Hey.
Mommy, did you ask to make us milkshake?
Yeah.
What's this?
Well, it's like a carpet angel.
It is.
So what do you think? You like it here?
Yeah.
You're going to like having your own room and your own bathroom?
Yep.
All right.
It's cool.
You think it's cool?
Can we have a cereal?
Let's have dinner. You want to see it? Hold on. Let's turn it on.
Fire! Then, if we turn it off, it doesn't go.
But listen. It's not going to be a game, though. We only put it on when we want it to warm up in here a little bit.
I don't know what's to warm it up.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Where's